Hey everyone, Linus here. Welcome back to my channel where we make tech accessible for everyone. Let's face it, tech can be expensive. From the latest smartphones to high-end laptops, the price tags can be daunting. But it doesn't have to be. Tons of free tools can solve your tech problems and boost your efficiency. You don't always need to spend a fortune to get the job done. In this essay, we'll explore some of these awesome resources. We'll dive into the world of free software and online tools that can make your life easier. Get ready to unlock some serious tech secrets without breaking the bank. From photo editing to sound mixing, we've got you covered. Whether you're a budding photographer or an aspiring musician, there's something here for you. We'll even tackle those pesky computer performance issues. Learn how to optimize your system without spending a dime on expensive software. Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro, these tips and tricks will up your game. We'll cover everything from basic tutorials to advanced techniques, ensuring there's something for everyone. So let's jump right in. Grab your notepad because you're about to discover how to make the most out of your tech without emptying your wallet. Stay tuned and let's get started on this exciting journey together. First up, GIMP. This powerful image editor rivals Photoshop and it's completely free. Need to touch up photos quickly? GIMP's automatic filters are here to help. Want more control? The Layers feature lets you edit specific parts of your image with precision. Trust me, GIMP is a game changer for anyone who edits photos or creates graphics. Give it a try and see the difference. Next, let's talk about audio. Audacity is a fantastic free tool for all your sound editing needs. It boasts professional level effects and a surprisingly user-friendly interface. Record podcasts, edit music, or remove background noise with ease. Audacity has everything you need to create high-quality audio content. And the best part, it's completely free to use. Section 4, tune up your computer tips and tricks. Now, let's address those annoying computer slowdowns. Over time, temporary files and unnecessary programs can clog up your system. But don't worry, there's a simple solution. CCleaner is a lifesaver. This handy tool helps you clean up temporary files, remove unwanted programs, and optimize your system performance. It's like giving your computer a much-needed tune-up. Section 5. Unleash the power of free tech tools. As you can see, you don't need expensive software to solve common tech problems. Free tools like GIMP, Audacity, and CCleaner are powerful, versatile, and easy to use. These tools offer a wide range of functionalities that can cater to both beginners and professionals alike. Embrace the world of free tech resources. From graphic design to audio editing and system optimization, these tools have got you covered. Experiment, explore, and unlock the full potential of these amazing tools without spending a dime. Dive into the vast online communities and forums where you can find tutorials, tips, and support from other users. You'll be surprised by what you can achieve, whether you're a student, a professional, or just a tech enthusiast. These free tools can help you accomplish your goals efficiently and effectively, so why wait? Start exploring today and unleash the power of free tech tools in your projects and daily tasks. Section 6. Subscribe for more tech hacks. If you love discovering new ways to make your tech life easier, then you're in the right place. And there you have it. Free tools and simple solutions to common tech challenges. From optimizing your computer's performance to finding the best free software, we've got you covered. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, technology doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With the right tools and a bit of know-how, you can tackle any tech issue that comes your way. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech hacks, reviews, and tutorials. We post new content regularly, so hit that notification bell to stay updated. And be sure to share this video with your friends so they can unlock the power of free tech tools too. Sharing is caring, and together we can build a community of tech-savvy individuals. Until next time, stay techie. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep making the most out of your technology. See you in the next video.